In this tutorial video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how can you turn on send message with the written key on Line app. In order to turn on send message with written key on Line app, you just have to follow the simple steps. But before that, make sure to update the application to the latest version. For that, head over to your respective app store. On the search box, type in Line and see whether you need to update it or not. If it is completely updated, click the open button and log in to your account. When you're logged in, you'll be directed to the home page. Here, click the gear from the top right hand side corner, after which scroll down a bit and go to settings. Here, as you go to chats, here you could see this section as send message with written key. If you want to turn it on, just toggle the button, and when it turns green, you've successfully turned on send message with written key on the Line app. So that's the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.